Creating users will allow you to add additional users to stacks. The user's limitation to stacks can be fully customized according to his or her role assigned in the features. In this video, we will show you how to create a user in stacks. To create user in stacks, click on the User menu. Click on the Add User button. Fill in the user information and its credentials. You may also use the auto password generator to automatically generate a password. Here is the list of user features. You may enable a feature that the user has access to by clicking on or off to customize what the user can do with the account. Allow user sign in. You may block a user from signing in by disabling this feature. Show Home. To show the dashboard with an overall view on all screen status history, recent users action and server status. Show Sequence. To show the sequence menu, the user will be able to see and access all sequences. Create Sequence. The user will be able to create new sequence. Show Sequence feature must be enabled for users to be able to create a new sequence. Edit Sequence Frame. The user will be able to edit created sequence in Sequence menu. Show Screen. To show the screen menu, the user will be able to access the screens. Edit Screen. The user will be able to assign a sequence to the screen and edit the screen settings. Create Screen. The user will be able to add new players. Show Screen feature must be enabled to create screen. Show Library. To show the library menu, the user will be able to access the library. Create Library Item. The user will be able to add new media file and also create new item from widgets. Show Library Menu feature must be enabled to access library item. Create Composite. The user will be able to create multiple items at the same time inside a frame. Add widget to composite. The user will be able to make use of widgets in multiple content. Add sequence to composite. The user will be able to add a sequence into multiple content. Show report. The user will be able to access the report menu to generate reports. Show event. The user will be able to create event triggers under edit screens. Show access controls. The user will be able to configure user access or group access on screen, library item, sequence and user menu. Show user. The user will be able to access the user menu. Create user. The user will be able to create new users into stacks. Show user must be enabled to access create user feature. Show group. The user will be able to access group menu. Create group. The user will be able to create new group. Show group must be enabled to access create group feature. Show data. The user will be able to access the data in user, group, library items and screens. Show cloud configs. Create cloud configs and system administration are for backend admin. Once you are done, click Save button to complete user creation.